And here's the bird's eye view. So number one, you got to set up your Google Ads campaign. That's the first thing you guys got to do. And the first thing you want to do is just sign into your Google Ads account. If you don't have a Google Ads account, then you create one. And so to sign in, you just type in ads.google.com, sign into your account, get everything set up. And then what you want to do is you want to go to the Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so write this down, Google Keyword Planner. And this is where you want to do research around the keywords. You want to make sure you have enough volume, and you want to make sure you pick keywords that don't have a lot of competition. So it doesn't cost you as much, right? You can keep your costs down. If you're smart, you'll wait to the end. I'll show you guys how to get the keywords that we already filter out. Right after that, this is where you create the campaign. So if you're going back to our last slide, I kind of gave you a breakdown of the categories. You got the campaign, you got the asset, and you have the ads. This is where you're doing all of that. And then you want to save your draft. Now, after you save your draft, you want to set up your landing page. Okay, if you're smart, you wait to the end. I'll show you guys how to download the landing page that we already have. You just swap out the branding. It already has the offer on there, so you don't have to worry about having low conversion rates. We've kind of already ironed all that out. Or you can go the hard way. You can actually create a lead form, pick a provider that you want to use. You want to use your website provider to create this landing page on, get that made. And then you want to also design a great offer, right? Again, we already have the offer tested, proven. Wait to the end. I'll show you guys how to get that. After that, you just want to make sure everything's connected to your CRM, right? So forward all your leads to your new leads email address account, whatever that is. Your CRM provider should provide you the email address. Get that all set up. Manually update your inventory. Right after that, you want to press play, get started on that. Sorry, I want to take that back. Manually update your inventory shouldn't be there. Don't pay attention to that. Just omit that. But once you got that set up and you have the leads going to your email address, go ahead and press play. Turn everything on. So turn on your ads. So the reason why you had to save it as a draft is because you had to get the landing page set up, and then you get a URL. Put that URL inside the ads, get started. Make sure you double check all of your moving parts, right? So make sure that, run through the funnel. So make sure that you actually fill out the form and make sure it goes into your CRM. Make sure that any emails you got sending out are being sent out. And then once you got that, you connect with the buyers from these leads, and then you start buying vehicles, right? And if you're using the offer that we're using, these people are looking for you. You're not necessarily looking for them. So they're following up with you guys, making it so that you guys don't have to spend a ton of time chasing down leads, because you don't want to be chasing leads either. It's just adding more time. These are leads that are actually waiting on you to follow up with them. They're actually prompting you to follow up with them, right? So it makes everything so much easier. So how to get all the resources? Go ahead and schedule a free setup call with me.